Hello, Andrew from Filteroo here today, and in this video I'm going to show you how to change, install and flush your Filteroo 5.5 inch rain and city water carbon block gravity water filter cartridge. Now inside the box you'll also find a hard copy of the step-by-step instructions on how to change, install and flush your cartridges. Now before installing your Filteroo carbon gravity cartridge, you'll need to prime it so they are ready to install. Priming your cartridges is a very simple process, but it is a must because if you don't prime your cartridges, it will take a lot longer for water to flow through them. It is really like soaking your cartridge all the way through so that when you install and flush them, you get the best flow rate from the beginning. To prime your carbon cartridges, check out our priming video in our Learning Center. The first step is to install your Filteroo carbon cartridge. When handling the cartridge, we always recommend using a glove or the bag the cartridge is packed in to avoid touching the carbon part of the cartridge with your hand. Remove the locking nut from the cartridge threaded stem, leaving the sealing washer over the end of the cartridge threaded stem. The next step is to insert the cartridge stem through the hole in the top tank from the inside out. Then secure the cartridge by screwing the locking nut onto the stem on the underside of the top tank until tight, but do not over tighten. Ensure the tap is in the off position. Place the top tank inside of the bottom tank. Fill the top tank with water and allow the water to filter through to the bottom tank. It is recommended to drain the first 10 to 12 liters of filtered water to waste or to the garden as it may contain carbon fines. Now that you've installed and flushed your Filteroo carbon cartridge, the next step is to quickly rinse your mineral pad for 5 to 10 seconds under a flowing tap, and then you can place the mineral pad onto the base of the bottom of your Filteroo. The final step is to put the top tank inside of the bottom tank and fill it up with water. And now your first glass of great tasting Filteroo filtered water will be ready in no time. It is a very simple process, but we're always here for you if you have any questions or need any help. Thank you, and remember to take a moment today to love your water.